Steel structure business owners, are you still bothered by the frequent need to change the bisons? One machine for cutting steel sections, pipes and plates. This steel plate laser processing center is the ultimate solution. Extremely long track, combined with modular workstations. Just replace the modular bed frame. It's like reloading the equipment, instantly switching between processing modes. While cutting the steel sections, the loading and unloading of pipe materials and plates can also be carried out simultaneously. The overall production efficiency has increased by more than 3 times. Intelligent control system, enabling simple implementation of complex bevel cutting processes. Novices can also quickly get started and save on labor costs. Welcome the steel structure business owner to visit our factory for inspection.